Hey everyone, so I'm back with another skincare video, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys not only one, two face and body brightening scrub. So it's a jackpot. So one of them I will call it potato face and body brightening scrub, and another one I will call it coffee face and body scrub. And most importantly, if you use this scrub in a week 2 to 3 times, you will see a change within a week, and if you keep on using it, you will see a great change, exactly what I saw. So without further delay, I'm going to just show you guys how to make this two face scrub. But before that, if you don't know me, I'm your girl Kashfia, and please do subscribe and like my video if you like it, I mean. Alright, to make the first scrub we need only one ingredient, only one, and which is none other than our favorite potato. So we are going to use just potato, and guys, potato is really good for your skin. I know a lot of people say different stuff. Some people say potato is this, some people say potato is good, like, you know, they have like a mixed opinion. But for me, I really like it because I saw really effective result, and something that make my skin brighter, make my skin smoother. What's the problem in that? Of course I'm gonna love it. So I really hope that you guys also get some benefit. So we're just going to show you how to make this face scrub, and then I will tell you how this bad boy going to benefit your skin. Alright, so for the scrub, the only thing we need is potatoes. So I'm taking 2 potatoes, but it depends on you how many potatoes you want to take. But for me, I'm just taking 2. Alright, and then I peel the skin off, and then I cut them into a small pieces. And then I'm taking a food processor and putting the potato into the food processor. Alright guys, so if you don't have a food processor, then of course you can use a blender, but for me, I'm just using a food processor. So this is how it is going to look after it is done. I actually didn't add any kind of extra water. Whatever water you are seeing, it came from the potato itself. So you don't need to add any kind of extra water to it. Alright, and then I'm just going to take an ice cube tray and then put it in the ice cube tray. Alright, so everything is completely done, and now I'm just going to put it in the fridge, and then I will show you how to use them. So guys, here it is. I put them in the fridge for overnight, and now they're really nice, cute, the little small potato ice cube. And what you're gonna do is you are just going to use this scrub all over your face. So you're going to slowly massage all over your face. If you want to use in your body, you can just scrub all over your body, like wherever you want to use it, you just can use it. So this is how simple it is. I'm really sorry guys that I won't be able to show you how to use it in your face, but I'm going to show you in my hand exactly the same way you can use in your face too, just because I have something to do after this video, so you know. So you're just going to scrub just like this all over your face or your body, wherever you want. You're just gonna scrub and it's gonna melt. Potato ice cube really melt like fast, so it's okay. You're just gonna scrub like this, and that's pretty it. Now I'm just gonna tell you guys how this potato going to benefit your skin. Potato really helps to brighten up your face or body skin complexion. At the same time, it helps to reduce uneven tone and dark spot. At the same time, potato is really anti-aging and gently exfoliate your skin. At the same time, potato really helps to prevent acne too. So this is how simple it was to make this first face scrub, and now for the second one. Alright guys, to make the second scrub, I'm going to use brown sugar, and this is my brown sugar. So brown sugar really helps to exfoliate and clean away any dry or, you know, dead skin cells. At the same time, it have antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that help our skin radiant and healthy. So it is really good for your skin. So in a clean bowl, I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm actually making only for my face, suppose, right now. Alright, so the second ingredient will be coffee. Now coffee is really anti-aging, and it helps to reduce your sunspot, redness and fine lines. And coffee is really good to treat your skin cancer, which is great. Alright, so now I'm taking also 1 teaspoon of coffee, and then I'm just going to mix these dry ingredients together before I put my honey. So our last ingredient will be honey, and now I don't need to talk about honey, guys. Honey is really good for your skin or for your hair. Like, it do literally almost everything. It hydrate your skin, it lighten up your skin, it brightens your skin, it moisturize your skin, it really deeply clean your pores. If you have pimples or acne problem, it also helps to reduce your pimple and acne. So it is really great. And if you can use honey almost in every face mask or face scrub, then really great. So I'm just gonna use like 2 teaspoons of honey, not 1. I'm using 2 teaspoons of honey, and then just going to mix them all together. Now if you are making this scrub for your whole body, then you just can double up or triple up the ingredients, and that's it. So it is done right now. You can see this is exactly how it's going to look, and then you're just going to take and then just scrub all over your face or all over your body. So just scrub like this. Just scrub with the light hand and then just wash it off. Or you just can, you know, after scrub you just can leave it maybe for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's completely up to you. If you don't want to leave it, there is no need. You just can wash it off, and that's pretty it. That's how easy it is. So you guys saw how easy it was to make for me these 2 masks, and it didn't take a lot of time. And at the same time, you can make this mask and put it in your fridge, and every time you want to use it, you just can take it out and start using it. So as I told you guys, if you use this mask in a week 2 to 3 times, you're gonna see a change within a week. And if you keep on using it, I promise you guys, you are just going to be happy with it. I really hope this video helped you guys, especially the situation we are having in this world now. I'm actually talking about coronavirus. I just don't want to talk about it. It's just not happy, but almost all of us, we are locked down in our home, bored, and I think the best thing to do to treat your skin and hair. So all I'm doing is taking care of my skin, my hair, and you know, doing some simple stuff. But guys, please do take care of yourself. Don't go out there. Try to stay in your home and try to find something that makes you happy. I'm really sorry guys for the background noise. I'm pretty sure it's probably my housemate or my sister, so ignore that. So I guess that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section below that you like it or you hate it. I really love to hear that from you guys. And I guess that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.